What is going on, guys? Doonte here. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Alright, guys, before we get started, please smash that like button. Please hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I get most of my candies and some of my candy machines from candymachines.com. They use promo codes, so it's pretty cheap. And another thing, funny story, stay tuned for a future video on this V-Line machine. It's used. Same barbershop where I went to place my first machine. I'm going to try to fix it up a bit. Turns out the lady doesn't have the key, nor does she remember the key number on the key. So I asked her if I could take it home, fix it up. She said yes. Wonderful. So I checked it out. It's a little dusty. Honestly, it just needs a good deep cleaning and a fresh pair of keys or key. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna try to do. If not, worst comes to worst, I have to drill the locks, break the locks, and yeah, as you can see, there's multiple skills there, and just redo the locks and redo the key. So yeah, I'm turning it and turning it. She's gonna pay me for the repairs, so don't worry, guys. Don't worry, I got it. I got this, you know. And yeah, that one's sticky, probably from the Skittles. This one's fine, just a little dusty, a little dirty. There's still some quarters in there, by the way, so I'm definitely gonna return that to her. I'm excited to see how much it would be, you know. Just I would give me an estimate of how much she must have earned. But yeah, it's cool. And I got some of my other candy from Costco. Got some Skittles here. They're about $4.80 USD. I live in California, so you know. And then here M&Ms. They're about $9.99. So combine it together, round it. It's about $15 for those two. And I got some of my candy, such as the gumballs, specifically from candymachines.com. 850 tropical fruit flavored, pretty cool, you know. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care now.